Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So today we will gonna discuss about your Java encapsulation. Okay. So as the name is suggested, that is encapsulation means the binding your the data i- information in a single capsule. Okay, the binding your data sensitive information in a single capsule that are called the encapsulation. Okay, so wait a second guy, let me share my desktop screen and then we'll continue our today lecture. Okay, so as the name is suggesting, that is your Java encapsulation. Okay, so the basic the definition of your encapsulation is to hiding your private data from the end user. Okay, hiding your private data from the end user. Okay, that means you just wanted to, okay, you just wanted to show the required output. Okay, the required data to the user, not required data. Okay, so that means the process of hiding your the private data. Okay, private data from user. Okay, from user, that are called the encapsulation, called encapsulation. uh, I just mean that let's take a simple real life example. Like if you are walking on a street. Okay, if you are walking on a street, then see, if somebody is just come and he or she will asking for your name, then it might be possible that you will tell your name to that particular person. Okay, and if he or she is gonna asking for your the Gmail ID, then also it might be possible that you will tell your G, uh, the Gmail ID as well. Okay, but what if they will gonna just ask us toward your family members about your family names, your the kids name, then in that particular case, I think you just you don't wanted to these share those kind of sensitive information, and this kind of information that is called the privacy. Okay, so everyone wants to keep their the sensitive data as a private. Okay, so we can in the the programming language, we can achieve those privacy by the using the concept of your Java encapsulation. Okay, so how we can perform the Java encapsulation? Let's see that here I had created a class that is human. Okay, human, and inside my this class I'm gonna just simply take the age. Okay, age variable. Okay, let's take age as the 22, and let's take the another variable, like let's take the name. Okay, name here. Okay, let's take any name. Let's take Java Tech here. Okay, Java Java Tech here. Okay, so these are the two instance variable that I had declare in my human class. Okay, now if I wanted to access these two variable, then I have to simply create the object of my this human class. Okay, object of my this human class, then I can easily access it. Okay, so by using the new keyword, I can create the object of my data particular class, and by using this object, I can access my name, I can access my age as well. Okay, I can access my name and age as well. So, wait a second. So, system.out.println, and inside it, I can access my age. I can access my name as well. See, hm.name. Okay. So, run it. Then we can see that the 22 and Java text is being printed. Okay, and also you can make changes in your particular age and name variable of human class. Let's your make your age is as a 43 and name let's make it anything sort of. Okay, sort of. Okay, then run your code. Then the you can see that the name and age is being completely changed. Okay, change or they will become the update. Okay, but this is not good practice because anyone can just access or make the modification in your data by simply creating the object. Okay, so here there is nothing that is called the privacy of my data. There is nothing that is called the privacy of my data. Okay, see, and if I just want that not everyone can able to access or make the changes in these two string, if only some particular person will have those kind of right, then what I will do that I will just make these variable as a private. Okay, I will just make these variable as a private. Okay, so now if I will define this name and age as a private, then you can't able to access these variable by simply creating the object of that particular class. Okay, so but see, the error is given that the field human name is not visible. Okay, but what if I have to fetch that particular name and age? Okay, then you have to create the method. You have to create the method. If you wanted to fetch the name and age of this human class, then you have to create a method inside your human class, and by using that particular method you can fetch those private data. Okay, okay, so only your method that are creating inside that particular class will have only right to show the private data of that particular human class. Okay, so if I will create the simple method, let's take public as a return type the integer, and let's take the name anything, get age. Okay, get age here. Okay, get age, and inside my age method I will just return my age. I will just return my age. Okay, return age here. Okay, see, if your method is being defined inside the same class, then they can return or show the value. Okay, but if your method is being defined in the another class, then they can't access the data that is age and name of the human class. Okay, so this is for the returning the age, and the same like public return type will be the string public, and the return type will be the string, and I will take the get name here. Okay, get name, and I will return the name here. Okay, return name here. Okay, see, and if I had defined these two method, then I have to call this method as well. So I can call this method by using the object of that particular class. Okay, so s out I will use hm, that is the object of my human class hm dot, I will take the get. I will call the get name method. Okay, and also I will just concatenate these. Okay, concatenate these names, and here I will call the hm dot get age method. Okay, so here I had just called this to method, and now I am able to access these the private data by help of the method of the same class. Okay, just run it. Then now see, I can able to access those data. Okay, so that's how we can just achieve the encapsulation, means by the declaring your variables as a private, and if you wanted to access those private data, you have to define the method inside the same class. You have to define the method inside the same class, and then only you can access those private data. Okay. Okay, so see, here my age is being already assigned a value that is 22, and my name is already being set as a Java tag. But what if they don't have any value? What if they don't have any value? Then I can also assign the value in these particular private variables. Okay, how? We can also assign the value to this particular the variable by creating the method, okay. How? Just see the public, we can take any name here. Okay, just take it as a set age. Okay, set age. Okay, set age, and after that we will define. Okay, let's take here as a return type. Let's take as a void. Okay, and inside your set is we will just accept a value. Let's take age. Okay, and from where we will take the input. We will just simply call our this set age. The set age method from your main function, and what we're going to do that, just simply set your just call your set is. Okay, set is from here. Okay, set age, and just by using the object hm. Okay, hm dot set age, and inside this we will pass the age. Let's take 23, 23, and okay, then comment out. So by using this piece of code, we'll able to set the age, set the age from our main function to the our private variable that is age. Okay, and also just here we will gonna assign the a variable inside our age. Okay, so our age is being here assigned, and also we can set the we can set the name as well. Okay, so public void, just take the name as set name. Okay, set name here, and inside this we will accept a string type value. Let's take str. Okay, str. Okay, str, and from our main function we will call our setage method by using the object of our human class. So hm dot, we will just call the set name. Okay, set name, and inside this we will just pass any name. Let's take Ankit here. Okay, Ankit. Okay, so by using this piece of code, we'll able to call and assign the value inside our name variable, and then simply assign the value to our name variables. Okay, so that is how by using the concept of your get and set, we are able to fetch and assign the value to our private variables. Okay, and that's how we will able to achieve the encapsulation in the Java. Okay, now run your program. Now you can see the Ankit and 23 is being assigned to your name and age variable. Okay, although you can't directly assign the value to your name and age. See, if I'm gonna just make the comment out these things from here. Okay, no, leave it. If I will try to assign directly by using the name variable, okay, by using the name variable to my age, then I can't able to assign the value to my age. Okay, because my age is private. See, the error from the field human age is not visible. Okay, so if you have to assign or fetch the name and age, which is a private variable, then you have to define the method in that particular class, and by using that particular method, that is get and set, you can just fetch the data or assign the value to that particular variables. Okay, private variable. So that's how we can achieve the encapsulation in your Java. Okay, so this is all about the Java encapsulation. So let's wrap up our today's session and see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.